Hello everyone, my name is Brian Hii and I am in 6th grade. On the AMC 10, I got 120 on the A and 106.5 on the B. I qualified for AIME and got honorable. I have been in Think Academy for 5 years and I am currently in Olympiad Year 2. My goal for taking math competition is to improve my problem solving and logical reasoning skills. One study tip that I find useful is when I come across a hard problem and understand the solution, I suggest revisiting the problem and solution after a few days as you may forget it. Also, sometimes there are more than one solution to a question, so I suggest reading all of them to learn as much as possible. The thing that helped me the most for exam preparation at Think Academy are the workshops and the practice tests before the real exam.